It's raining. Sorry guys, I didn't record a video because I know you guys want to see us and there's a lot of like rains. What's raining? Oh gosh, it's raining. Very, very bad. Sorry, that's it.
I would, but like the street was there and there was like cars sliding going out. But like that's not good. I can't go on. Stay here under the tree until it passes.
It's not gonna pass. Huh? No, it's gonna rain until it's gonna rain until 1. It rained.
Where's my earbuds?
Let's see.
Let your brother get in. Because there's no room on that side. Just get in.
You guys say hi.
Hi. In here? Watch the drinks, watch the drinks. Watch it.
Watching the video again. Because you're 5 minutes now, right?
Huh?
You're 5 minutes now?
Here, watch the drinks.
No?
No.
But you're still in the video, Aiden. So you don't care?
I guess.
Me and my brother, Aiden, guys, guess what? My brother was chasing me on the scooter, and he didn't stop chasing me until he fall down into the pit and coconut in the cushion. Then Squiddy said, "Oh no! Why didn't Aiden fall in the car?" Then Aiden said, "No, Squiddy, I'm gonna eat you." Right? He's tired right now because he got mad, but like Aiden does to go to school. He's right there, sitting. He wants to go to sleep. Hey, sit. Aiden doesn't like showing his face because he's a cap head. So then every second, I already showed your face last video, and it wasn't every time.
Stop.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pause the video. So.
And then I saw a Google building.
Oh, what?
A Google building.
Maybe
Yeah, look,
that's
can you look? Well, back there was a Google building.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I saw it.
We all know.
I would have gone around, but there was like a lot of commotion on that side, so I didn't go. Yeah.
I don't know why y'all are carrying Aiden. What? Hey! Stop it! Sky, tell me! Comment what should I do? Punch him in the face. What should I do with the comments, guys? Punch him? Okay. Let me record and punching them. Okay, next comment. Hey, Bob. Connexio. Does your brother always get mad at you? Wow. No?
No? No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure because you got mad at me at the garbage place? You literally got mad at me. I wanted to record that, but you didn't let me.
No. I don't know what you're talking.
He plays dumb boxers. You guys think I should play boxers?
Yes, you'll get a lot of views, and you have the light fruit. And plus, there was a new update.
Play it. This is what it is supposed to be. Oh. Cut that out of the video. Cut that out of it. Guys, the plushie monster of 2 minutes.
Wait, what is this?
What?
Nice.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video. Well, I'm gonna pause it. You already messed up, Squiddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Squiddy. 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 Yeah!
Huh? How much battery do you